Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to create this amazing website using just templates. We are not going to do any hard work here. By the way, my name is Amopenes. I'm the founder of Radar Digitals and CrowdHost Ghana. Okay, Radar Digitals, we teach how to design professional websites, and if you need responsive website for your business, for your company, then reach out to us. We will design an amazing and a responsive website for you. I'll show you how to design this wonderful WordPress website. In fact, we are not going to do any hard work here. We are going to use templates, okay? And I'm going to show you how to design this website in less than 30 minutes, okay? Now, we are not going to waste much time here. First, before you can design a professional website, you need two most important things. That is the web hosting and the domain name. Web hosting is the server where you will put your website, okay? And the domain is the address to your website. You need these two important things in order to start creating your amazing website. And I'm going to show you where you can get the cheapest web hosting, and also it's very fast too at the same time. Now let me take you to CrowdHost. So just come to our official website, that is crowdhostgh.com. This is our official web hosting platform, okay? We have the cheapest so far. You won't get it anywhere, okay? Now let's go down here. Good. So you see we have different packages, okay? We have the share hosting here, and we have WordPress. So the share hosting is start from 70 Ghana cedis, where you can host only one website, and that is but you can get up to subdomain, and yes, you can also add two subdomain. Then we have two domain, that is two domain, and we have three domain here, and the price, as you can see, is very affordable. Okay, good. Now we have WordPress hosting, and you can look at the WordPress hosting. It's unlimited, as you can see, 100 websites in all. The only difference is the storage. Now the RAM is no more 1 gigabyte, okay? The RAM is 3 gigabyte. I'm here to update the platform, okay? The RAM is 3 gigabyte for WordPress, and then it's 2 gigabyte for share hosting, okay? So I'm not going to, I just want to go with this one, okay? Good. So I will just go with share hosting, this package. Good. So here I can see dollars here, okay? If I want to change my mind, you can even go for the reseller. If you want to make money online as a web hosting company, you can buy a reseller package from us and resell to your clients or your customers, okay? Good. So I will still go with the share hosting here. Then after that, I will change the currency. Because I'm in Ghana, I will change it to cedis, and we can see that it's 70 Ghana cedis. I will click order now. Good. So here you need a domain, okay? You can't buy a hosting without a domain. So what are we going to do? One, I have a domain that I want to transfer here. If you don't have a domain, then you can just go with this one, register a new domain, okay? But I have a domain, okay? So I would rather go with use own domain, that is existing domain that I have, okay? So I will enter the domain name here. Is crowdhosting.gh.online. Okay, so that is the domain name. So after that, sorry, I have to remove the .online here and bring it here. So the .online will be here. So I'll add that here and click use this. Good. So we are here. I can just continue, okay? Good. So I will click here, continue. You can go with the 2 years, but 1 year is okay for me for now. Okay, if I can use existing login or create a new account, okay? Right now I already have a login, but I will create a new account. My name is Enes. I've added all the necessary information, my phone number, email. Let me go with this email account, okay? And then address too, I don't need this. State is Ashanti, and then postcode is 003. If you are in Ghana, your postcode is 00233, okay? Good. And I think that is all that I need right now. So let's go with, I can just enter my password here and confirm that. I will generate a new one. So okay, first let me change that, copy and close. Okay, so the password has been added. Okay, right now I can proceed with checkout. I can update the password. Okay, so right now, yeah, good. So I have to make payment. I can pay with Momo or card. I'll go with Momo. I'll go with Momo. Okay, no, let me go with the card. Okay, I'll go with the card. Let me pause the video and get the card. Okay, so I can decide to go with the Momo or card. That's a Visa or MasterCard. But I don't have money in my Momo account, so I'll go with the card. Okay, so I will pause the video and fill the form here. Okay, so the payment is ongoing, so I can just click that. Okay, so I have to let's wait. Okay, so in here I have to enter confirmation code which has been sent to my mobile number. Okay, so I have to confirm that, and it's ongoing. Okay, as you can see, the payment is successful. And I have to wait. Good. So this is my order number. I've paid for the 70 Ghana cedis. I can click here, continue to client area, and this is my package. I don't have a domain because the domain that I added, in fact, it was my existing domain. That's why I have 0 here. Okay, so when I go down here, I can see my active account here and my picture here. Okay, good, and that is good. Okay, what else? I have to log into my cPanel. Okay, yeah, very, very important. So I will click here, click on that, and after that, let me show you where to click. Don't click here, but if you do, it will open the domain. So rather, I will click here. Good, and now you can see that it's active account, and we can just go down. I think SS certificate 2 is active. I can see all the details or the information here. Good. Now after that, I think I can see downloads here. You know why? Because with this package you get free access to that's the template. I'm talking about the template that we are going to use for this training. Okay, if you want to download it, you can just come here and download it. But let's go ahead, and we can see log into cPanel here. So I will click that. And voila, I'm already on my cPanel. What do you think? This is my cPanel. I call this Cloud Host panel. Cloud Host panel. So this is a Cloud Host panel. Cloud Host panel. Okay, it has a lock. I can lock it. Okay, but wait, I will show you how to go about it. So first of all, I don't like this white interface here. If I can just click on this and make it dark, let's see it. Good. So I have dark interface. Okay, good. So this is our nice stunning server. Okay, I can install WordPress if I want to do that, but let me show you something that you need to do here. Come to CWP settings, come here, go to edit PHP and go there. We are going to make some changes here. Memory limits, I would advise you to go with 256. Then upload maximum, make it about 50, and then post maximum, make it 50. Then also the time here, make it 60. Okay, good. And here the time is what that's London. You can make it Ghana. Okay, that is African slope Ghana, Accra. Okay, yes, Ghana is Accra, so just take it if you're in Accra, but it doesn't matter. If you're in Nigeria, you can go with that. Okay, I can click here to update it. It's successful. Okay, good. Now I can go back here. I want to go down here to Softaculous. If you want to change your PHP, it's very simple. You can click here, then you can select your domain, then you change the PHP. So let's see why it's not loading. Okay, so let's wait. Good. Now oh, okay, I don't know why. I will check it later. So let's go down here. I can go down here and go to Softaculous with that, and over here I can install any of the plugins, that is the Softaculous app that I want, the HMCS. Very soon I'll make a tutorials of how to create a stunning web hosting website, or how to go into web hosting business. Okay, as you can see, this isn't it amazing? I'll show you how to design something like this and make money online. Okay, good. Yes, it's very, very important. Making money is very, very important in this. Okay, so let's move on. I'll click here, install WordPress, and here I will just make sure that there's nothing here. This is my domain name, and make sure that this one is HTTPS. Okay, so you can go with this or that, but the top two it's not good. It won't help you. I can enter my username here. Let's go with the reader, generate password. Okay, I can just copy the password again and also add hash and paste that. Okay, good. Just to make it complex. If you want to install any of these, that is the Pro WordPress plugin, you are good to go. Okay, so we have all these login attempts, page speed, and backup, and so on and so forth. They are paid resources, so if you want, just go ahead and install. Okay, good. And there is also if I want to install this, I can just click here and install this school management website. Okay, it will give me all the necessary tools that I need. Okay, good. I can just I can just click here. I'll check that. Okay, good. And okay, so after that, let's go to, if you select this, it's very, very important. Let's see, let's look at what we can get from here. The theme that it will install for us is Bosky theme, Elementor, page builder, that is, you can see all of them in the school management system. Okay, so if you like, just select that. Now I'll go to install. Let's see. Okay, successful. Now the installation is done. Okay, installation is done. So what do? I can just click this one to go to the front end, like click that, and you will see the front end of the website. Okay, so this is the front end. Or I can just click here to go to the dashboard straight away without entering the password. Okay, I normally go through my WordPress dashboard using the C panel or cloud host panel. Okay, here, don't worry, this is some kind of AI tools. Okay, it came with the installation of Softaculous. I can just click here to move that, and I'm on my dashboard right now. So what can I do? I want to get rid of this one first, so I'll go to plugins, and you can see that we have, I can delete this one from here. Okay, let's see, I can also delete this. Good. And you see the school management system, it has been added. I can deactivate this one, Softaculous Pro, and delete that. Okay, so the rest of that came with the installation. Okay, so I think but let me delete really this one, delete that, or you can decide to delete all of them, but I just want to keep this one, the school management one, and then okay, and the Elementor 2, I want to keep that. Okay, so we are going to import the template, and the templates will actually it has its own plugins that it needs, and it will import it automatically, so we don't need to install any plugin that we are not sure we will be using it. Okay, so for now, let me delete it. Okay, so I only have Elementor. Okay, and this one is okay. So I will go down here, click that, or go to plugins, Okay, so the theme, let me install this. It's very, very important. It's good for the theme. Okay, good. Okay, so we are done. Now let's go to plugins here, and I will go to add new. Okay, so in here I will enter Elementor. Okay, so just enter that Elementor. Okay, so I will advise you to install this and that one. Okay, good. As installation is ongoing. Okay, it's done. Okay, but don't worry. Let me activate that, and we can activate the other one, the dashboard. Okay, good. But there's something that we need. Now let's come back to here. That is our billing system or our dashboard. You can verify your email, but I'm not ready to do that right now. So where can we get the download? Just come here, click that, and we can click here, download, and it's ongoing. You see, if I click there, you see it's ongoing. It's just 3.5 megabytes, very small one. Okay, good. So it's done very soon. So let's wait. Okay, so it's done. Right, good. So this is what we are going to do. I will click the folder and locate where I have that, and that is it. Okay, so I will click here to minimize that. Let me go back to the dashboard. So right now, this is what I'm going to do. I will go to, after activating the plugins we just installed and activated, let's go to tools, and we will see template here. Click that. So here we are going to drag and drop the template we just downloaded. Okay, so I'll click here. Oh, come on, I have a lot of, so let me close all these folders. Okay, so I'll come here, then I will drag these templates and drop it here. Oh, come on. Or I can just click here, go inside the downloads and locate the template and open it. Let's see. Good. As you can see, it has been added. Okay, so this is the template. Let me remove the picture from here, and we can see we have some requirement that we need to install. So click that, and we need what? Elementor Pro. That's what we need. Okay, so how can we get that? It's quite unfortunate that I've deleted the Pro element. I don't use Elementor Pro anymore. With Pro element, it's cool. So how do you get it? Just come to search for Pro elements, search for that. So there is a Pro element, click that. Okay, so you can just go ahead and download it. I have it, so I'm not going to do that. It's for free. It's free. It will give you all the Elementor Pro features, so I love using it. Okay, so I will close that, then I'll go back to the dashboard, plugins, add new, upload. So I'll go to and search for the Pro element. I have one here. Open, install. Okay, good. So I will just come here and activate it. Okay, so it's successful. Now I can now go back to the tools here, go to templates, and the templates are still here. Now if I click here to open it, so you see we can no longer see the requirements anymore because we have all the requirements. Okay, good. So what we have to do, the first thing that we need to do is to import this one, the global kit star. Is very important. Okay, so that one is done. After that, we have the home page and other pages. Okay, we don't need that for now, so let's go to pages. Now here, let me delete this default page. It came with the installation, so I've deleted it. Good. So empty. Good. So it's gone. there's one most important setting that you need to do, okay, as a developer. Go to settings and go to that is permalinks. Here you see day and name, change it to post name and save it. It's very, very important for SEO. Now let's go to the page, add new. Okay, so here I'm going to add home because this is my home page, so I'll go to publish. Okay, after that, edit with Elementor. Okay, so I'm here. I will just close that. And what can I do here? I will click here and go down here. So here, hide the title and then page layout, Elementor full width, and then publish. I can close this. Good. Let me drag my image here. So after that, you see this one. Click that, and you can see this. Click on that. Let's look at the home. Here's the home template. I will just click here, import template, and let's wait for it to finish. Okay, so as you can see, it's looking nice. So I'll click here again and check if okay, it's still Elementor full width. So I'll publish that. Okay, so in order to see what I've done so far, I'll just go to the back end here. I'll go to the back end here. Let me refresh the page and I'll go to the back end. Okay, so this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to appearance, menus. Okay, so over here I'll create main menu, then create menu. Okay, so I'll select header menu 1, and select the home, add it. Okay, sorry, let me click here again and click add to menu, add it, save it. After that, I want now if I click here or if I go to the open this in a new tab, it is showing on the blog page. Okay, it is displaying blog page. I want to see the home page, this one. I want to see this one. Okay, so how can I do that? Now let's go back here, go to settings, reading. Here you go with the static page. The home page is home, then you save that. Now come back here, and when you refresh the page or when you click on the logo, you see that there is nothing here. So this is our landing page, and look at this. Don't you? I can see that you really like it, right? So now looking beautiful. I love it. Okay, so you can just adjust it. Okay, now let me go here, let me go back here. Let's see. Okay, so here I can just click there, and we have the image. Can select here, and the image it has been selected already. Just click insert again and publish that. It will appear, don't worry. And close that. You see, it is done. You can come here and refresh the page again. But if it is not showing, it will show. Okay, don't worry, it will come. Okay, so this is amazing. Okay, and here you can put another picture here. I can just go back here, go down, okay, that image, let me see. Okay, so I can just click here. This one is not showing, but I can just remove the image, or I can decide to remove that from there. Okay, good. And what can I do? This one too, I want to remove that. Okay, so I will rather click here and delete that too. So I will rather let's see, I can click here and I can add my own image. Let me see. Okay, so let me go down. I can select that, or I can select this, put this one there, and it's nice. Okay, good. I can publish that. Come back here and refresh the page. Okay, I don't know why it's not showing, but let me open it in a new tab and let me see. Okay, so let me open this in a new tab. Okay, so I can go to here. Okay, so you see it's back. So, and everything is looking amazing. You can just change all the image here just for, you can use someone's image. Okay, so you have to make sure that the images that you're using is for that particular school that you're designing the website for. Okay, as you can see, it's looking amazing. Okay, and we can even add the header and the footer. Okay, so let me close that. Let me take you back here and let's go back here. Let's go back. This time we are going to add a footer and the header. You know how to do the home page, which means that the rest of the pages like about, contact, you can just go through the same process. Okay, so let me show you how to import the header. Very simple. So the header will come back to the dashboard here, and what are we going to do? Just go straight to locate Elementor template, Elementor template. Go to team builder here, and after that, you see we have header. Just select the header. And the header and the footer is the same procedure. You're going to import that. And so after this one, I will end here for you to complete the rest of the video. Okay, good. So I'll cancel that. If you like, you can also cancel this. I don't know why, but we don't need that. Okay, leave it. So click here and let's click here. Let's go through it. You see header. Okay, so this is the header. This is the header. So we can click here, insert header. Okay, good. So it has been added. You see, the only page that we have added is what? Home. That's why we can only see home here. I can publish that. Click add condition. So the condition add this entire website, entire site. So you click the save here. Good. I don't know why I can't get rid of this one, but leave it. Let me this. Okay, so it has been added. Let me come back here and refresh the page. Good. See, now we have home here. So as I said, go ahead, add a footer using the same method as the same method how I was able to add a header. Use the same method to add a footer, and also the rest of the page, like as we have. Let me show you on here. As we have about and the rest, just go through the process of adding the home page as we did over there and do the same. I know you really like the video. I will advise you to subscribe to the channel. If you want to get free resources to design a website for your client, then subscribe to our hosting package, and anytime you need a premium theme or template, we will give it to you for free. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.